Hello friends, I'm back. We will do flower craft. Take green color and start coloring the sock. See, the straw is ready. Let's make zigzag line on this paper. You can come tell your mother, then do by yourself. You're a good boy and good girl.
Now cut it. So you have to cut on the line, na Rajvi?
Yes.
The line which you have drawn. Zigzag line.
Wait, Mom. Scissors are very dangerous.
Yes, they are sharp objects.
Friends, see, my diamond shapes are ready.
And who has cut for you?
Mama.
Mama.
Friends, will do the same thing with this paper. Friends, हम लोग को पिंक और रेड का कटऑफ रेडी है. फिर हम लोग खेलेंगे. ये मजा होगा. हम लोग फ्लावर बना रहे हैं. इस ग्लू से मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
चलो start doing beta.
Oops.
Take the stick and start sticking.
ऊपर पार्ट में सर्विस स्टिक लगाई है. This is a glittery paper.
Yeah, so what your friends have to do?
You want to make a small circle.
Okay, circle cut out. Yeah.
Friends, put this small circle up here.
Very good.
Now friends, start sticking this. Cut these two leaves and put in the flower. Friends, my flower is ready. And I love my flower.
You liked it?
Yes, you can make at home. Friends, see, my flower is ready. Please make with your mom at home. Be safe and bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.